love on my mind, and I gotta stay on the grind to make a change. That's the only way that we gon' shine. You feel the same, cause we all be the same blood. Trying to understand the world, what I'm thinking of, cause I see power in you, and I see power in me. With this positivity, we the powers that be. No, I can't complain, I feel every beat, like a million hearts around me that wanna speak. We working so hard day to day, week to week, but I'm feeling so inspired, I can finally breathe. A breath of fresh air, can you feel the energy? I look up in the clouds, I see the enemy. If they're not feeling free, let's release, because we got all we need, with peace, love, and happiness. Can you hear me, JP?
Embrace it like you own it.
I try to pray when I'm pacing. You don't know the hate that I'm facing. You don't know the things that I've been through and all the issues I've seen. Cause life can be a nightmare, but we still got a dream. If you wanna clear your mind, we gotta change how we think. If you feel the way I feel, then just clap to the beat. Clap, clap to the beat. We coexisting in peace, and all the drama deceased. We wanna live and succeed, so we live it up and do it right, do it right. No stopping us, we living life, living life. Facing every day and every night. Darkness fades out, let it turn the light, turn the light. It's motivation, hustle and grind. All I did was continue to shine. All I had to do was take a trip and open my mind to see the good in everything, cause we gonna be fine.
Embrace it like you own it. Cause the plan takes time to grow. Got a vision and you should show it. You gotta take that chance. It's your world, cause we are evolution.
Scotland.